Guys, cooking niche is what we're going to be talking about right now. What is trending in the cooking niche? That's what I'm going to be showing you in this video right now. You can see all these cooking channel getting thousands, millions of views every blessed day, man. Guys, it's awesome when you get into cooking niche, or you're already into the cooking niche right now, but you just want to get what are the things that are trending, what are the videos that are trending. So we're going to be using VidIQ AI to analyze all of the YouTube channel to see what is trending right now. So here is AI coach. Because come right here, we click on current trends in our niche. So just say cooking is what we want to see. So just search right now, and it's going to analyze the entire YouTube channel, and it's going to give us all the relevant details that we need to make our video go viral. Number one, is going to give you all the details you need to create a very interesting video, and it's going to give you the details how what length your video should be, how you need to structure your video, give you all the details to upload your video, tags and hashtags, so that your video will blow up just like all of these other videos that are doing all these amazing numbers online. So you're going to see in the next 30 days, it's going to analyze the whole entire YouTube and give us the videos that are doing very well right now. So that's what we're doing right now. You can see all the details. You can pause this video at any point in time to just read all of this through. But if you want me to download this for you also, let me know in the comment section below right now, or you click the link below right now to get vidIQ and start using it for free also. So look at all the details, look at all this. I tell you, there is no way you can follow or copy these details that these AI tools are giving us right now, and your channel will not blow up. It's not possible, man. I tell you, your channel is going to blow up. Say what is hot in cooking right now, trending topic from 2024 to 2025. These are all the trending topic right now. TikTok recipe testing, viral food trends, quick cooking hack, food ASMR, cooking gadgets, international fiction. All of these things, guys, all of these, man, viral recipe, cooking hack, food hack, trending topic. You go right now, start titling your video, start naming your video around all these keywords that you're seeing here, man. I tell you, your video, your channel, they're gonna blow up into the sky in a very short time. So basically, and you can see what is giving us also right here. What style do you want your channel to do? You can see, can I help you outline? So you can click right here. So it's going to help us outline our video to help us see what kind of is thinking about the question right now. It's going to analyze what can I help you outline. So you want to help us to outline our first faceless cooking video right now. So you can see that this tool is so powerful. So you don't even need ChatGPT if you have this tool already. You don't need no ChatGPT. This one alone is going to help you to do all the works, everything that you need to do to get a well structured, a well detailed, beautiful, awesome, amazing video get well done. That's what it's going to do. So you can see, here is it, faceless cooking video outline, testing a viral TikTok recipe. This is good. This is good, guys. This is good. These are well detailed video. Money shot, break bites, all of the next step for you. Pick a viral recipe. So these are all the details, man. All you just need to do is to just follow all these details, and I tell you, the video is gonna blow up into the air. I'll see you guys on the next one.